If you want to make a number counting animation for your YouTube videos on mobile using CapCut, then you are in the right place. First, watch this video. Today, I will show you how to create this animation. Let's get started. First, tap on New Project. Tap on Library. You'll see this interface. Then, select a simple black canvas and tap Add. After that, tap on Text and then tap here. Type 1 and tap here. Adjust the text scale and turn on the keyframe on this text layer. Move the text to the bottom. Move the playhead between the text layer and turn on the keyframe. Then, move the text to the middle of the screen. Move the playhead to the end of the text layer and turn on the keyframe. Then, move the text to the top of the screen. Turn the playhead to the second keyframe and create a duplicate layer. Move this duplicated layer to the right side. Double tap on it. Then, move the playhead to the second keyframe again. Remove the text and type 2 and tap here. To create more number animations, continue this process. You can see my video for the final output. After this, I exported it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.